Saras is the first Indian multi-role light transport aircraft in the country designed by the CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories. The name of the aircraft Saras has been aptly chosen after the Indian crane Saras, which is renowned for its graceful flight. In the year 1989, the late Dr. Satish Dhawan, then chairman of Indian Space Research Organisation, as well as the chairman of NAL's Research Council, urged NAL to develop in-house capability to design and manufacture an indigenous light transport aircraft. Professor R. Narasimha, who was the director of NAL at that time, formed the necessary teams and framework for the same. Since then, 2 flying prototypes of Saras have been produced. These prototypes of Saras have cumulatively logged 176 sorties and contributed immensely towards design and development of aircraft and systems in a boost to indigenization effort. Participating today in the flying display of Aero India 2019 is the enhanced version of Saras called Saras PT-1N and is piloted by Wing Commander Uday Pratap Singh and Wing Commander Vinod Prabhakaran of Aircraft and Systems Testing Establishment of the Indian Air Force. Wing Commander M. Dilip Babu is the flight test engineer on board the aircraft. The captain of the aircraft, Wing Commander Uday Pratap Singh, is an experimental test pilot and a qualified flying instructor. He is presently posted to Prototype Test Squadron in ASTE. He has over 3,500 flying hours and has experience of flying over 25 different aircraft from light to heavyweight category. Saras project is a pioneering venture because the design of the aircraft as well as its manufacture is done within India using Indian resources. Saras truly has been a national effort involving about 600 to 700 people in various work centers. Saras is designed as a multi-role light transport aircraft. Some of the roles envisaged for it are executive or corporate communication, light cargo airlifter, air taxi, air ambulance, trainer aircraft to meet the training needs of the Indian Air Force transport pilots, maritime and geophysical reconnaissance. It is being developed to cater for regional commuter aircraft requirement for Tier 2 cities under the Government of India UDAN scheme. It is a great initiative by CSIR NAL not only as a Make in India effort but also as a Made in India effort. Approximately 20 test flights will be carried out for evaluating system performance of latest prototype. The primary objective of PT-1N will be to validate the aircraft handling qualities, envelope expansion, evaluation of nacelle and engine propeller interfaces, evaluation of performance parameters and environmental control system for higher altitudes. Flight testing is being carried out and data generated will be used to freeze the design of the production version. The production version, Saras Mark II, will have 19-seat capacity, advanced avionics with glass cockpit, autopilot, improved flight control system with hydraulic boost for rudder circuit, pressurized cabin with significant drag and weight reduction complying with IAF requirements. The Saras Mark II will be certified for both civil or military operations. Saras 19-seater Mark II will have speeds in excess of 500 km per hour, range in excess of 800 km with full payload, 19 packs. One of the unique features of Saras Mark II is the pressurized cabin, which is uncommon in the class of aircraft and adds to the passenger comfort. It can also operate from high-altitude airfields with respectable payload. As you can see right in front of you, the aircraft can carry out reverse taxiing, which enables it to land at short landing strips, maneuver in small spaces, which are likely in small airfields. Saras is expected to usher in a vibrant civil aircraft industry in the country in the coming years.